Hello everyone. So in our last video what we saw was we added the delete service for the user to delete a wish list, and in previous video we added this your watch list uh, part, but since we deleted it, let's add it into our watch list and yeah, expressing. So one thing we need to do is to ask for a confirmation, like what we get in our property details page. So let's take that up. Okay. So how we did it was, I think it was using this information catalog somewhere. Okay. We added here. Okay, let's use it here. Yeah. So okay. So instead of confirm, it will be delete basically. Okay, one more thing. When we click on it, okay, it goes to property details page. And this code I added but never tested it. Confirm delete wishlist. Property ID I have confirm add to wishlist. I guess they are right. Oh, okay. Only copy Jetpack. Okay. Now we have that we don't want add to this list, but confirm delete. You want to delete some property from your wish list. Yes. Okay. And we call delete property from wish list. Okay. Let's remove to do, otherwise gonna will crash. And okay, no, it will not. So how we call this? So let's go here and let's indent it properly. We will do this. Now this list your model dot confirm delete. Okay. Now property. So what we need is property details. Deck details. Okay, since it's a normal one, we don't need this. Property ID will be property details. Your property ID. Property name will be property details dot property name. Okay. So now this should give me a confirm button, but before that we need to add that into our schedule. Select. Okay, that will go away when we build our project basically. wishlist, confirmation dialog, confirmation dialog, value. Okay, so let's check if we basically able to see the confirmation dialog or not with the property name. This is for tag. We set the value, we call this, okay. Cancel will close the dialog. Okay. Do you want to delete C-Farm apartment property from your wish list? No, will get space. Okay, we'll mark current web class. Okay. So before we start adding that, let's add our API or the service into our service class. So yet again it will be same as usual. Just key name will change. Let's go to this. Let's do this. And let's go to this. And do this. Here property ID is required. Okay. Now let's come here. We have the list. We have to. Okay. Sorry. View model scope. Let's create a code. Okay. Authentication use case. Got current user ID. Select user ID. Wishlist use case. Delete. Property ID is equal to property ID. User ID is equal to user ID. Let's collect it and let's see the types. Now one thing we need is error. Let's completely take this. Let's add this. Here what we need to do is we will be needing the same, basically same thing, but we need the message basically like it got deleted. Now let's run this. Yeah, so when it gives us success, the page will mark a refresh basically. But let's see. So you can see I get 5 minutes ago, like we did the last video like around 5 to 10 minutes back only. Let's see if delete is happening correctly or not. We can check that in our logcat. Okay. We go here, we go here, we click OK. Your park bank removed from your wish list. Yeah, 200. Okay, now I can show you the error as well. Okay, if I click again, see working or forming in your wish list. Okay, so this is also working fine. Now if I go here and come back here, yeah, it's empty. We will work on that reactive part. Basically, it will be from the Android end only. Okay. So we are done with our wishlist journey. Everything is into its place now. What we need to do now is send proposal to owner. Basically, we will be sending a proposal to owner like this is what the rental wants.